Good day, friends. Paul here. If you have a wood frame futon and you have an overnight guest or a couple people sleeping on the futon to exceed 200 pounds, you want to reinforce these slats underneath the futon. You can see right here and there, because there's no structural support in between those two. So what I've done here is I've gotten a 1 inch by 4 foot long and about 9 1/8 inch for this particular futon pine board. Guys, you can pick these up at Home Depot or Lowe's or something like that and have them trim it right to your spec. You want to measure from the floor up to the pine slats here. They look like pine to me, or some kind of spruce. And then all I've done is just wedge that board right in there, and I've tested this with 300 pounds on the futon, and there's absolutely no creaking or sagging of those boards as typically would be. If you're exceeding 200 pounds with these types of futons, you definitely want to have some structural support in the center. And this is a cheap do-it-yourself fix. Thanks for watching, and post your comments below if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel for more excellent do-it-yourself tips. And sleep well.